Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can block ads in internet. So let's get started. First step is go to Google and search ad blocker. Now open first link. I already have this extension. If you don't have, you can add it from here. I'm just enabling it here. As you can see, ad blocker is activated now. So this was the website which was already loaded on Google Chrome. You can see here are ads. So let's refresh this page and see if ad blocker is working or not. As you can see, all the ads are removed. That's it. This is how you can use ad blocker on internet. Thank you.